Hey guys, welcome back to SVB Creative. Today I'll be showing you all 10 nude or everyday lipsticks which suit a dusky skin tone. These lipsticks are universal shades. These are gonna suit every skin tone really well, but then this is gonna be very good nude or everyday shade for dusky skin tone, and these are very affordable lipsticks which are around 500 or below. Most of them are every lipstick is below 500 only, so it is very affordable, easily available, and not just that, it is good, it is from good brands. So let's get started. So the very first lipstick I'm going to show you all is from Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Rose Touch, and it retails for 575, but then we can definitely get it for good discount around 400, below 500 for sure, from any online website. So this is a very nice movie pink shade. Since it is a mousse texture, it is very comfortable on lips. It glides on so smoothly. It is quite pigmented, and best part is that it is very comfortable. It is not at all drying to lips, and it is, I think this is a perfect nice pinky nude for dusky skin tone. It is very good liquid lipstick. It acts as a very nice blush as well. Next lipstick is from Blue Heaven Splash Super Matte Lipstick in the shade Plum Desire, and it retails for 180 rupees, and again we can get it from good for good discount, maybe somewhere around 120 and 150. And this has got very strong movie undertone. It's actually a movie lipstick, and it is again a good nice nude lipstick for dusky skin tone. Since it is powder, it gives a powder matte finish. It is slightly drying to lips, so we need to apply a lip balm underneath, then only it's gonna glide on smoothly. Still it is, I should say that it is quite comfortable on lips. So next lipstick is from Streetwear Rich Color Rich Ultra Moist Lip Color Berry Dreamy, and it retails for 180 rupees. This is not a nude shade, this but a everyday shade for dusky skin tone. It is a corally peachy lipstick. It is on creamier finish. It is very creamy, so it's very comfortable on lips. It is very easy to apply, but then it doesn't last on, it doesn't last longer because it is creamy, so it's gonna fade away very easily. That is there. So next lipstick is from Maybelline Color Sensational Moisture Extreme Lipstick in this shade Chestnut, and it retails for 280 rupees. It is a pinky shade with brown undertone, so it is again a very nice everyday shade for dusky skin tone. It is very comfortable on lips. It is very creamy, so it just glides on so smoothly. It is actually a semi creamy lipstick. I mean, it is not very glossy, so it's very comfortable, but at the same time, since it is of creamy texture, it is not gonna last for a very long time, so that is there. And next lipstick is this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lip Color in the shade Caramel Cut, and it retails for 480 rupees. It's a stunning, beautiful nude shade for dusky skin tone. It is very nice shade. It has got nice brown undertones, and it does suit dusky skin tone really well. It gives a nice matte finish, but at the same time it is very comfortable to lips. It is slightly transferable. It does transfer, but then it is very comfortable on lips. It is a very nice shade, so I really like this shade. It is my go-to nude shade. And next one is from Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Cinnamon Brown. It is very much proper nude for dusky skin tone. It again has got a very much movie undertone, and it does suit dusky skin tone really well. But then the problem is that its pigmentation is not that great, so we will have to apply a lot of pressure while applying this, and it doesn't glide on smoothly. But then after applying, it is not at all drying to lips. It is very comfortable on lips, but as I said, the sad bad part is that its pigmentation is not that great, so we will have to work really hard. Apart from that, it's very affordable, it's easily available, so it's nice shade, so maybe you can definitely give it a try. And next lip crayon is from Blue Heaven, and it's in the shade Coco Mania, and it retails for 150 rupees, and in online we can get it for around 100 rupees. It's a nice rusty orange shade, and it's very nice everyday shade for dusky skin tone. Unlike Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon, it is very pigmented and it just glides on so smoothly, and it is a kind of matte finish. It is not powdery or super matte finish, but then it is definitely gives a matte finish, and it's a very nice shade for dusky skin tone. It just brightens up our face, and it's a very good affordable everyday lip crayon, and I really this is one of my favorite lip crayon. I really love it. So dusky skin tone beauties, you can definitely give it a try. Next one is from this brand called Dazzler Eterna matte lipstick in the shade 422, and it retails for 280. Right now this lipstick is available in Nykaa as well, and it is easily available in any local store. Even though it claims to be matte finish, it is actually not matte finish. It is very much creamy finish lipstick, and this lipstick is they claim it to be herbal lipstick. That's the reason I bought it. They claim it that they do not add any harsh chemical to it. That's the main reason I got this. And I absolutely love its shade. It's a very nice bright pink shade, so we can definitely tone it down and use it as a everyday shade. I really love this shade. So it's a very good one. Even though it doesn't last for a long time, it's a good lipstick. Next one is from Sugar Smudge Me Not, and it in the shade Tan Fan, and it retails for 499. It's a very nice pinky brown shade, very good shade for dusky skin tone. It is not a proper nude for dusky skin tone, but then it is a very nice everyday shade for dusky skin tone. It is proper matte liquid lipstick, and since it is a matte liquid lipstick, it does last on for a good amount of time, maybe 5 to 6 hours for sure. And its packaging is pretty good, and again it's easily available online store in discount. So it's a very nice shade. I will highly recommend you guys to try it out. It's a beautiful shade for dusky skin tone, and it is a good matte finish lipstick. Next one is a lip liner. It's again from Dazzler Eterna, and this is a dark mauvey shade, and it just retails for 70 rupees, guys, just 70 rupees. So I will highly recommend you guys to have any lip liner which has got nice dark maroonish or mauvey color, because if you have any nude lipstick, when we apply a lip liner, dark lip liner underneath it wouldn't actually wash us out. So that's the reason I have got this dark lip liner, and this lip liner is very good for 70 rupees. I think this is the best lip liner we can get. It is little hard, it is not creamy. That is that's something I do not like. Apart from that, it is a very good lip liner. It does last on for 2 to 3 hours as it is. So it's a good lip liner. So I have this nude lipstick from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Lively Violet. It retails for 350 rupees. It's beautiful nude, but then when I apply it as it is, it does wash me out. So I apply this lip liner underneath. It is a dark, as you guys have seen, it is a dark lip liner, and this one is a very light pinky purpley shade, light violet shade. So it's a beautiful shade, but as I said, it just washed me out when I apply it as it is. But then when I top it on a dark lip liner, it is a perfect nude for me. So you can definitely try it out in that way. It's a beautiful nude. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. I really hope this video have been helpful for you all. If so, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Let me know any other nude lipstick. If you are a dusky skin tone, please let me know any other nude lipstick which you like in the comment section down below. I would love to try it. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.